As you can see, it powers on. Everything's hooked up. The X motor comes from here, goes to here. If I try to move the motor, it does not move. Watch. You see the X and Y move, but the Z doesn't. At that point I have to kill everything. So I'm going to swap this motor, which I believe is Y, with X, just swapping these two, and you'll see that this will start moving now and this one won't. Be right back. So I have swapped this motor to this connector now, and this wire to this motor. Now I'm going to go to quick settings, home all, and now you see these two are moving and that one's not. And I have to emergency stop again. So that's the problem. So it is definitely this connector on the board that is not getting any commands. So the only thing I know of is to do a board replacement. Thank you.